Hello and welcome back, everybody. If your videos keep pausing, freezing, or glitching on Android, whether you're streaming from YouTube, Netflix, or playing saved videos, it can be incredibly frustrating. So, in today's video, we are going to fix that issue. So, let's just get started. First of all, you can try restarting your phone. So you can long press on your power button for that and a restart option appears on your screen. It is a very simple and effective method you can try out to fix the issue. It can clear up memories, refresh the background process, and even fix the temporary glitches. Also check internet connection if you're trying to view online videos because you need stable and high speed connection for internet online videos. So head over to settings for that, open it up, and from that you can go over to Wi-Fi connections, tap on it and look out for the connection that you're currently using. You can try switching up between Wi-Fi to mobile data and test again and do so. Another thing you can do is you can try clearing up app cache. So you can just go ahead and do so. Head over to settings for that and go over to apps option, tap on it. And from apps, you can go ahead and look out for the video app that is having such issues, such as YouTube or any other video player. You can go ahead and search for it at the top, type in YouTube or any other video player app, tap on it, and once you find it up, you can go ahead and look out for storage, tap on it, and look out for clearing cache or also clearing data if necessary. If the problem persists, you can try doing so. And you can turn off battery save or adaptive battery as well. You can go to settings for that, open it up, and from there you can scroll down and head over to battery and device care, tap on it, and from battery and device care you can find battery, go ahead and tap on it, and from there you can just go ahead and turn off the battery saver. If this option is turned on like this, you can tap on it in order to turn it off, and that should also fix the issue. Apart from that, often outdated application can also cause the playback issues. Head over to Play Store for that, and from there you can go to the search below, and you can just go ahead and search for the particular application that needs update. For example, YouTube, and look out for the update option in order to update it. And if updating does not help, you can try reinstalling the app itself. And that's it. You can try out the solutions. If nothing else works, you can try out a factory reset as well. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.